I don't know. Ow! What ride is this? There's food. You want a hot dog? No. I can't wait.
Those are those scrappy little kids. I was gonna put my foot out.
I don't appreciate my pets.
His what?
You say you like them?
Yeah. The men appreciate men's bodies more than girls.
Not me.
You don't go to the gym for girls. You go to the gym for guys.
Oh, okay.
No, you go to the gym for iron.
I do chicken fingers. Where's the crime? I need
Is that it? That's a bar.
Oh, we did.
Did we have lunch?
Yeah, we did.
Oh, I forgot about that. I told you it's been such a long
But we
day.
already burned those calories.
Did we? Are you sure?
No, we already burned them. With our metabolism? We already did.
Not my metabolism.
You burned it, babe. I can
There's
see
a restaurant there.
Whatever.
Oh, it's not?
It's right here. I think maybe this is up here.
Why only the front one?
So slow.
Because when people are leaving, I guess they get them on the way up.
So, but close at 9, that means close at 9. That doesn't mean you close at 7. Right?
This is the one right here. Okay. All right, now it's time to eat.
I want chicken fingers.
So it looks like they have coconut crusted fried chicken, coconut curry chicken, smoked glazed chicken, jerk mahi sandwich, kahola chicken sandwich, and that's it. Oh, sorry. There you go. It's chicken and seafood.
Ice cream, please.
It's closer to the lockers. Does have pizza, longboard. Oh wait, burgers and barbecue. What'd you get there, babe?
Food.
You got a bacon cheeseburger?
Yeah.
How is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at this thick cheese.
What'd you get?
They got.
Pork sandwich.
Wait, Brad, what'd you say about that cheese? Look at that thick cheese. Wait, that's a big.
Are you dipping that?
Turn the camera.
Oh.
That's
Turn
good.
the camera to Billy and tell him what they said about what she said about the thick cheese.
What'd you say about the thick cheese?
That is some phenomenal food, must be.
I don't know what he said, but okay.
That's a phenomenal food. That must be.
Billy, you gotta take a look at Cam's cheese. They have phenomenal food here, must be.
She was like Yoda.
Oh, she said it backwards?
Yeah. She said Yoda. She said, oh.
All right, it's time to say goodnight to Volcano Bay. It was a blast, let me tell you. A lot of fun. If you ever get a chance, you got to check it out. Even if you only have 3 or 4 hours. Even if you have only 3 or 4 hours, it's still awesome.
So a lot of fun.
Yeah. How'd y'all do? Good?
Pretty
Good?
great.
Pretty great?
It's awesome.
All right.
Best water park in the world.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Very organized.
So with that, we say good night.
Good night.
Until next time. There you are. Good night.